Menteri Rangba ka Jala Meghalaya Konrad K Sangma haka arpu pratrek ujeliu arhaja arpusa uloong baka jingjia sha bom sha sho kawai ka Kynthei haki shinrang hawas Garo Hills district hi kadai ka jingjia pas Sniew bok bat Kaba Sham ladai ban Shim ya ka an halaki kiti kumban syukudo haka arpun rayu trek ujeliu arhaja arpusa kawai ka video ka bapen I ya ka jing sha bom sha sho kawai ka Kynthei haki shinrang kala sapriang bat nang kani ka jingjia la kem henriu ngot ki bala kata kti ya ka Kynthei kararu ka por nok pai sngi jong ka arpun yau trek ujeliu arhaja arpusa ketika video kapan I ba ketika Kynthei ke Shah Patrong bat Shah tiet dagi dieng kiset haki shinrang ke bala jaman haka arpusan tere ujeliu arja arpusau haka wei ke Pelau School halua teksagere hadamal Asim Police Station dadengere layo I bagi shinrang ki bom bat show ketika Kynthei haka mat upat ba uba yeng pet kai na ka jing yo kem ya arngot haka sngi ke bala dam ki pulet ki la yo show ban kem sa sawngot ki wei pat bala sham bagi dei hi ki bahayang bajan jong kahi ki ba show ya ka kat kumki khubor laong bahak arpsan tarik la khot hajer ye ketika Kynthei namar ka jing kenno bakadan jing dai sop bat wei shinrang laong bahdien ketika jing khot hajer ki bahayang jongka ki la patrong ya ka bat bom da ki ding hakmat upat ba ketika jaka
arrests have been made already. I don't know the exact number that is there, but let me make it very clear that we condemn all this kind of activities and the individuals who are responsible for this, strict action will be taken against them. What they did was wrong. If there is any issue, any concern, then we should follow the process. The legal process should be followed. But one cannot take this entire issue in their own hands and try. I don't think that they can just simply go ahead and take the law in their hand in one way and try to teach somebody a lesson, which is really incorrect. And the way it was happened also was very incorrect. So we will take strict action against those people who are involved in it. There are laws, different laws are there. I will not have the whole list of them. But yes, wherever it's required for us to examine and look into amendments to cater and to look into the different such incidents that are taking place, we can definitely examine that subject also.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.